expected to integrate this integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 x squared positive log of pi negative x divided by pi positive x times cos x times dx. So let me take this equal to I can rewrite this as integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 x squared times cos x dx positive integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 log of pi negative x over pi positive x times cos x times dx. Now cos x is an even function, right? But log of pi negative x over pi positive x is not even. Okay, if it is an even function, then this integral can exist, negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. When it is not even, in fact, if it is not even, it means it's odd, right? Once the function becomes odd, this entire integral will vanish for this limits, negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So what we are left with, I is equal to negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 x squared times cos x times dx. As I mentioned to you, cos x is even, x squared is also even. So this means I can rewrite this as 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 x squared times cos x dx. Okay, now what we can do is we can apply the Liet rule. So u is equal to x squared, du is equal to 2x dx, dv is cos x dx integrated, I get v is equal to sin x. So the formula is uv negative integral v du. So my u is x squared, my v is sin x, the limits are 0 to pi over 2. Negative integral v is sin x, du is 2 times x dx. Now this can be rewritten as x squared times sin x, limits are 0 to pi over 2, negative 2 times, I'm going to write this as x times sin x dx, the limits are 0 to pi over 2, 0 to pi over 2. Now let me consider integral 0 to pi over 2 x times sin x dx. I'm going to apply the integration by parts. U is equal to x, du is going to give me dx, dv is sin x dx. I integrate this, I get v is equal to negative cos x. So apply the limits uv, or I would say the formula first. uv negative integral v du, my u is x, my v is cos x 0 to pi over 2, negative integral v is cos x with a negative sign, this becomes positive. So cos x times du becomes dx. So limits are 0 to pi over 2. Now this goes up because of cosine, and I integrate this, I get just positive sin x, and the limits are 0 to pi over 2. I apply the upper limit, I get 1, lower limit will be 0, so just 1. So this entire quantity is going to give me negative 2. I apply the upper limit, I get pi over 2 raised to the power of 2, and sin x is going to give me 1 followed by a 0. So this can be further rewritten as pi squared over 4 negative 2. So this quantity has been got because I considered this quantity. So if I were to take this as 2, so therefore 2 can be rewritten as I is equal to 2 times of, in place of this and substitute this, pi squared over 4 negative 2. So when I distribute 2, I get pi squared over 2 negative 4. So this is the solution for this beautiful question. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe.